Microsoft is doing some fishy things with data nowadays. So if you're logged into your Microsoft account on your computer, it's time to log out. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Microsoft makes the process of signing out a little strange. Let me show you what I mean. So hit your Windows button, then tap on your account down here, and then My Microsoft Account. You can see there's no sign out button anywhere. Go to Your Info, and then scroll down and tap on Sign in with Local Account instead. See, there's no sign out button. I'm just going to skip this, hit Next, enter my PIN, and enter my passwords and hit Next. And now we finally see Sign Out and Finish. So after this, it might prompt you to restart your computer, and after that, it'll be signed out of Microsoft and on a local account separate from Microsoft, to where they don't have access and are not able to track your actions.